Good morning, children. This video is for anyone who's working in the Obelisk group. Here is your Fluent in 5 starter, so please pause the video and answer the questions. And here are your answers. Today, children, we will be using comparison, sum and difference to interpret data, discrete data, by answering questions through varied fluency. So we're going to look at the first question here. It says, use a table to calculate the number of points awarded in the competition. So we've got diving competition scores. So we've got 3 divers, Roger Speedman, Jessica Dunker and Martin Cannon. Their scores were 6, 10 and 8 respectively. So who received the highest score? So we're looking for the highest number. The highest number is Jessica, because she scored 10. Who received the lowest? So we're looking for the smallest number. The answer is Roger Speedman, because he scored 6. Very nice and easy there. So that's our comparison. As well as looking at another comparison here. So complete the sentence below. Year 4's summer holidays destination. There are how many more votes for Europe than America? There are how many fewer votes for other than the UK? So we're looking at a comparison, and we'll be looking at some difference here, because we've got to find the difference between 2 numbers. So as we can see here, our bar chart has our 4 countries, or 3 countries and then other. UK, say country, this is a continent, Europe and then America and then other. So summer holiday destinations, our destinations. And here we've got our votes. So this is our scale. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're going up in 2s. Before we start working at these questions, we're going to work out how many people voted for each destination. So here we've got a number, it's between 6 and 8. So when it's between 6 and 8 and we've only got a scale of going up in 2s, we know this is the number in between these two. So the number between 6 and 8 is 7. Europe goes all the way up to 8. America is in between 4 and 6. So that's 5. And the other is exactly 2. So how many more votes for Europe than America? So we've got to see how many more people voted for Europe than America. So we can count up from 5 till we get to 8. 6, 7, 8. That means 3 more votes for Europe than America. There are how many fewer votes for other than the UK? So how many less people voted for other than the UK? So we have to do 7 take away 2. So we do that. We do 6, 5. So we're taking 2 away from 7. We're left with 5. There are 5 fewer votes for other than UK. Last question. Calculate the difference between the number of chestnut and walnut trees. So we're looking at the difference. So the difference means subtraction. So we're between the number of chestnut and walnut trees. So we're looking at this one here and this one here. Now it says here that each circle is equal to 2 trees. So let's work out how many chestnuts there were. 2, 4. But before we can calculate this one, we can see this isn't a full circle. This is half a circle. When there is half a circle, that is equal to 1 tree, because half of 2 is 1. So we've got 2 plus another 2, which is 4, plus 1, which equals 5. So we've got the next one here, 2, but we've got another half a circle, and that equals 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. It says calculate the difference between the number of chestnut and walnut trees. So 5 take away 3. Nice and simple. The answer is 2. Which 2 types of tree add up to 10 altogether? So we need to find 2 numbers that when added together will equal 10. Well, let's take chestnut and walnut. Well, if we add 3 onto 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that doesn't equal 10. So we know it's not chestnut and walnut. What we can do here is let's start working out the value of each. Well, 2 trees, is equal to 1 circle. So we've got 2 circles here. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Beech has 2, 4, 6. So we're looking now between these 4 numbers, which 2 of them will equal 10. Now we know our number bonds to 10, so we can see that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So our answer is which 2 types of tree add up to 10 altogether. So we need to write these 2 names of these trees, which is sycamore and beech. That is the end of your input today. So please now go to task sheet and answer the questions. Best of luck.